In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Seasonality Chart. Seasonality charts help you visualize how a stock, ETF, or index has historically behaved across the calendar months. They're useful for spotting recurring strengths or weaknesses by month, but keep in mind that historical patterns are tendencies, not promises. Start by heading to stockcharts.com. At the top, in the Create a Chart bar, open the Chart Type dropdown and select Seasonality. In the symbol box, type in the ticker you want to study, then press Enter or click Go. In a few seconds, you'll see the seasonality view for your chosen symbol. On this page, the chart shows monthly performance patterns over your selected history. Depending on the display setting, you may see a histogram or lines that capture how the symbol has typically performed each month. This makes it easy to identify months that have historically leaned positive or negative. Use it as a context tool rather than a trading signal on its own. Below the chart, you'll find a time slider. Drag the edges of this slider to adjust how many years of history are included, as well as the start and end years. A longer window gives you a broader, more stable perspective, while a shorter window can highlight more recent regime shifts. If your symbol has gone through major changes, try comparing a long period with a more recent slice to see if the seasonal footprint has evolved. Above or near the chart, you'll see display options. Click histogram mode to view the data in bar form, which is great for a quick, at-a-glance read of each month. Switch to same scale mode if you want multiple yearly lines plotted using the same vertical scale, making it easier to compare absolute performance across years. Use separate scale mode when you're more interested in each year's shape or pattern. It adjusts the vertical axis for each line to make those shapes clearer without letting large values dominate the view. You can refine what you see by toggling individual years on or off. Simply click a year button above the chart to hide or show that year's data. This is handy for removing outlier years or isolating periods you care most about. If you want to compare seasonality between two symbols, enter a second ticker in the Compare Symbol box, then click Go. This will overlay the relative seasonal behavior, helping you see which months favor one symbol over the other. Be sure the time window matches your analysis goals. Wrap up by combining this seasonal context with price trends, volume, and risk management before acting on any idea.